Meaning of frank.
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 Frank. The word frank can be used as an adjective or a verb. As an adjective, it means to be honest, direct, and straightforward in speech or behavior. For example, a person who is frank would not hesitate to express their thoughts and opinions openly and truthfully. As a verb, it means to send goods or correspondence by an official postal service, especially one that requires payment of postage. Overall, the term frank connotes a sense of honesty and transparency, whether in spoken communication or physical movement of items through mail services.